the future's calling. Maths and mind colliding. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba phezulu. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba phezulu.
Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of the Daily Dose of Mathematics. Here we are continuing with 3.1.3, which is from the June 2026 Limpopo question paper. Limpopo, what is our question for today?
Determine the distance traveled by the object after 10 seconds.
Okay guys, now the hard work has already been done on 3.1.2. So yeah, let's just go and remind each other. We were given that we are supposed to determine the value of m and n. And then they said the distance is defined by the following formula, which says d is equaling to, okay, let's go down. So we said d is equaling to m t squared plus n t. But from 3.1.2, we already got what is m. We said our m is equaling to 1. So we're just going to write it as t squared, that one. So I'm going to tell them that d is equaling to t squared plus our n, we got it as 3. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by t. Now, since the hard work has already been done, we already got the formula. Now, remember, guys, if you are on an exam, let's say you got the wrong answer for m and n, just continue with the wrong m and n. They are going to use CA, which is continuous marking. So now we need to check on our formula. What is it that we're given, and then what is it that we're looking for? Dimple, let's read the question again and understand what is it that we have, what is it that we're looking for. They say we should determine what?
Determine the distance traveled by the object after 10 seconds.
Okay, now let's understand here. What are we looking for? Are we looking for D or T? Remember, our formula is D and T. So we're trying to find out, what are we looking for? Are we looking for D or T? Based on what they're saying, determine the distance. What do you think we're looking for?
T.
We're looking for D or T?
T.
Think about it. We're looking for determine the distance. What are we looking for? D or T? We're looking for D. So I'm going to tell them that D, it's question mark. We have no idea. And then it means we're given T. Now let's go and find in our statement. What is T? They said determine the distance after
10 seconds.
So what is our T then?
Our T is 10 seconds.
So we're going to say T is 10. Now it's a matter of substitution. We're going to take everywhere we see T, we're going to put 10. Let's just go and highlight here with a different color. Everywhere we see T, just show them that here we're going to put T, and then here we're going to put 10, and then here we're also going to put 10. And then we'll go and substitute them. We're going to say D is equaling to, open bracket, we have 100, we have 10, close bracket, all squared, plus 3 multiplied by 10, which is open bracket, 10. So everywhere we see T, we just put 10. After that, we're going to say T all squared. Remember, we know what does the squared mean. What does it mean?
You multiply a number by 2.
Yeah, we are repeating the
number.
Yeah, you are repeating the number 2 times. So it means 10 times 10. What is 10 times 10?
100.
So
100.
It's 100. So we're going to tell them D is equaling to 100. But we have 3 multiplied by 10. What is 3 multiplied by 10, Dimple?
3 multiplied by 10 is 30.
30. So we have 100 plus 30. Now what is 100 plus 30?
100 plus 30 is 130.
It's 130 meters. So I'm going to tell them after 10 seconds, the distance is going to be equal to 230. Now, with that being said, guys, we're going to take our solution and put it on our senior marker to get our critique. Now, we could have done it with the table, guys, and just extend up until we get to 10 seconds. But this was the simplest way. Once you have the formula, this is the simplest way to do it. Now, while we do that, we're going to play our song. While we're playing the song, we're going to take the solution and put it on the senior marker. Let's go and play the songs here.
Let's get it. We're looking for the pattern. First difference, changing. Second difference, constant. Let's build it from the floor up. Asambe, listen up class, let's look at the board. We got a new pattern that can't be ignored. The first difference changes, hey bo, it isn't the same. If the second diff is constant and true, then the quadratic pattern is waiting for you. Start from the bottom and work to the top. Pesulu, 3 little formulas, please don't stop. 3 little formulas, please don't stop. 2 equals second diff. All back at.
Okay, let's listen to our senior marker.
Final grade, 2 halves. Final answer, 130. Text, M. Caps marking audit. 1. Marking breakdown. Step. Working shown. Mark allocation. Justification. Formula setup and substitution. D equals T squared plus 3 TD equals 10 squared plus 3, 10. Checkmark A. Standard processing applied. Initial logic and correct substitution of T equals 10 into the established quadratic model are validated. Final answer. 130. Text, M. Checkmark CA. Consistent accuracy mark awarded for flawless arithmetic evaluation and inclusion of units. 2. Corrective feedback. Your calculation is perfectly executed. You successfully recovered the correct quadratic equation parameters, m equals 1, n equals 3, and applied them flawlessly to the new time condition. The sequence of squaring 10 before adding the product of 3, 10, follows the correct order of operations. There are no logical flaws in this step. 3. Caps and formal notation compliance. Terminology. You correctly identified the independent variable, t equals 10, and the dependent variable you were solving for, d equals, which is excellent analytical practice. Notation. You effectively used brackets during substitution. Including the unit of measurement, m, for meters, in your final answer is a crucial caps requirement for applied mathematics questions involving physical quantities. 4. Coach's summary. What you did well. Listing your variables on the left side of the page and isolating the unknown, d equals, before substituting into the equation on the right side is a brilliant layout. It keeps your working space organized and prevents substitution errors. Area for improvement. There is very little to critique here. Continue to wrap your substituted values in parentheses just as you did with 10 squared and 3, 10, especially when dealing with negative values in future problems, to ensure maximum accuracy.
Siyabonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us your thoughts. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Find us on TikTok and Facebook. The daily dose of mathematics is the handle. Hit our WhatsApp for the daily prompts. Get more info on 0664 682 9994. 064 682 9994. Hambakahe. Until the next session, see you on the socials. Daily dose.